Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pipedream for event-driven no-code workflows. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started, visit the Pipedream website at pipedream.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Here, you can choose to register using your email address or a third-party service like GitHub or Google. If you prefer to use an email, enter your email address and create a strong password. After filling out the form, click the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Pipedream. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the Pipedream website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will see the Pipedream dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To create your first workflow, click on the New Workflow button. You can choose from various trigger options. Select an appropriate event that will initiate your workflow. Follow the prompts to set up the trigger according to your needs. Once the trigger is configured, you will have the option to add actions. Choose from a wide range of action steps that Pipedream offers. You can connect popular apps and services to automate your workflow. After adding actions, configure each step as needed. Make sure to test your workflow to ensure it functions correctly. Once satisfied, save the workflow. You can now run your workflow or schedule it to run automatically. Explore additional features to enhance your workflows. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Pipedream and created your first event-driven no-code workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.